Welcome to the YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories, handling of numerical will be easy. We also welcome you to the MCQ simplified series of videos for Physics Class 12. We have designed this MCQ simplified series of videos with lot of care. Here we will be providing you high quality MCQs. We will be starting from very fundamental level and we will be moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQ, we will provide the explanation. Our objective is to reach to the key concept based on which you can solve other MCQs also of similar type. So with each and every MCQs, we will be providing you explanation. This is just not a video. This is a mock test also. Here, with every MCQs, we are providing you timer so that you can put in your thoughts, you can come to your option before we take you to the answer. So we will suggest you to use this video as a mock test. This will be around half an hour video and we are providing you 20 high quality MCQs in this. So if you see, you will find a very high learning volume to the time spent ratio. So we will suggest you to go through the entire video and enjoy the high quality MCQs. This video is for charges and Coulomb's law under electrostatics chapter. Here comes the first MCQ. After frictional exchange of charges, behaviors of four materials A, B, C and D are found like this. A attracts B but repels D. C attracts B. Now how will C behave with D? You have got 4 options and 10 seconds time. So you try to reach your option in 10 seconds time. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The correct option is option B. See, A attracts B. So if A is positive, B will be negative and D will be positive. Again it says C attracts B. That means if B is negative, C attracts B. If B is negative, C will be positive. So between C and D, both of them are positive. So they will repel each other. Next MCQ. A glass rod is rubbed with silk and the glass rod gains positive charge of this much, value given. How much is the transfer of mass from whom to whom? 4 options given. Charge of electron has been given and mass of electron has been given. You need to find out how much is the transfer of mass from whom to whom. You have got 15 seconds time. Your time starts now. If you require more time, do pause the video, do your calculation and come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The correct option is option A. Let's understand the calculation also. See, number of electrons that has moved from glass to rod is, you have to divide the total charge by charge of each electron. So you got that quantity. From that you have to multiply and get the mass that has moved. And mass must have moved from glass to silk. You will get similar questions where you will be given the electron transfer quantity and you need to find out how much is the charge gained or lost. Or you may be given the mass lost or gained, and from that you need to find out the charge that has been transferred. Next MCQ. Which of the following statement is not correct? New charge is generated through friction of insulating materials. 1 Coulomb charge can be expressed as a count of number of basic indivisible units. 2 different type of charges can be added. Induction happens before attraction when a charged body is brought close to an uncharged body. 4 statements. Which one is not correct? 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. You must have got your option. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. During frictional exchange of charges, no new charge is generated, only charge is exchanged. So option A is not correct. Other three options are correct. Next MCQ. In column 1, you have been given name of instruments, and in column 2, you have been given name of the purposes. You have given the purposes. Now you need to match them. You need to match them from the given option. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. You may not really need 15 seconds here. Be fast. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option C. Say galvanometer, it detects flow of current, that is 111. Torsion balance, it measures Febrile force, so 212. So you got option C. Next MCQ. Two charges are at a distance r apart. The two charges are made to touch each other and put back in the earlier positions. Now, which of the following events is not a possibility? Which of the following four will not happen? 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. See, the force between them will remain unchanged. No, once they touch, it becomes average. So it will not remain unchanged. The value of the charges change when they become average. So option A is ruled out. Option C. Force was attractive will become repulsive. Force was attractive. That means they were positive, negative, and it will become repulsive. It can happen because it will become average. It will be same type, so it will become repulsive. The force will become zero. Force will become zero only if the charges are equal. So if charges are not equal, it will not happen. Force will not become zero. But look at option B. Force was repulsive. That means they were positive, negative. They were both positive or both negative, but they will become zero. Average cannot be opposite type, no? So average cannot be opposite type. So it will never become attractive. So average of two charges will be of same type. So the forces will never be attractive. So option B is the not possibility. It will never happen. Next MCQ, similar one. Two charges of unequal magnitudes are at a distance r apart. Now here you need to find out which one will not happen if they are touched and put back in the same place. Which of the options will not happen? 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Here option D. Option D is not a possibility because charges are unequal. If charges are equal, then they can become zero. But charges are unequal, so average will never become zero. So option D is not the possibility here. Next MCQ. 2 point charges plus 3 microcoulomb and plus 8 microcoulomb. They repel each other. Obviously, both of them are positive. With a force given 40 Newton. If both the charges are added minus 5 microcoulomb, then what will be the force between them? 4 options given, 10 seconds time for you. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option C. See, this calculation has been given alongside. F is proportional to Q1, Q2. So F dash will be proportional to Q1 dash, Q1 dash and Q2 dash. So their ratio will be ratio of the charges. But here for this specific MCQ, you don't need to do the calculation. See, both the charges are positive. If minus 5 microcoulomb is added to both of them, one becomes positive, another becomes negative. So the force will be attraction. So straight away you can go to option C. You don't need to do the calculation. So you can get similar kind of questions from Coulomb's law, where you will be told the charges have been halved, distance have been halved, what will be the new force, or charges halved, distance doubled. From that relation, you can expect similar question on Coulomb's law. Next MCQ. Two identical spheres with charge plus 90 coulomb and minus 10 coulomb are at a certain distance and have a force F between them. They are made to touch each other and put back at the original place. The new force between them will be, what is the new force? 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is, it will be 16 by 9 times of F. Again, calculation on the same concept. F is proportional to Q1, Q2. So F dash will be, see this 90 and 10, they are being averaged. So it becomes 80 by 2, that is 40 each. So it will be 40 into 40 by 90 into 10. That is 16 by 9 times of earlier force. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Let's move on. Similar concept. The MCQ is now being made little complicated. It will appear very confusing. So two identical sphere charges with charges plus NQ and plus Q are at certain distance. Same thing happens. They are touched and put back in the same place. What will be the new force in terms of N? 10 seconds time for you. Same concept. Do it fast. Timer starts now. Same concept. You can do it quickly. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. So it will be square of their average by multiplication of the earlier charges. Ratio of that. So easy calculation. You need to do it little carefully. So option is option D. On same concept, another one. Now the charges are plus MQ and minus NQ. Same thing happens. What will be the new force? Now you should do it in 5 seconds time. Your timer starts now. What will be the new force? Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. Next MCQ. Why gold is used in electroscope as the material for the leaf? 4 options given. 5 seconds time. Your time starts now. Time's up. You got the answer. Let's see. Because gold leaf can be made very thin. Because when charges will come into it, the leaves have to explode. So their mass has to be very low. So that can be done with gold. Gold leaf can be made very thin, very lightweight. Next MCQ. A system of charges have been shown here. Plus Q in both the sides and minus Q somewhere in the middle. Now you need to choose the values for which the system will be stable. Values of small q and relation between smaller and capital R. The position and the value of small q, so that the system becomes stable. 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. See, look at the picture. Now minus charge in the middle, positive sides are, charges are at the both sides. So the position must be in the middle for minus q to have equal charge from the other two charges. So smaller and capital R, they should be same. So your option will be either A or D. Now you need to find the value of small q. Now if small q is in the middle, so that will be balanced because it will be equally pulled by n charges. Now the question is with capital Q. The capital Q has to be balanced. That means the force on capital Q, that is force of attraction on capital Q by small q, should be equal to force of repulsion by the other capital Q. Now here in this entire video and upcoming videos also, many times we will be using capital K in place of 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 to save time and space and to make it look easy. So the force of attraction between capital Q and small q is K capital Q small q by r square, and force of repulsion between two capital Q, that is K capital Q square by 2r square, because distance between two capital Q is 2r because small r is equal to capital R. So you put that equation, you get the value of small q as q by 4. So your option is option D. Now here next MCQ. A system has been shown, two charges, one positive and another negative, q1, q2. There is a force of attraction between them. They are at a distance r apart. Now which of the four graphs are not correct? Variation of f with q1, q2, r and 1 by r square. Which of the graph is not correct? 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. See, you look at other three graphs A, B and D. In all the cases, f is proportional to q1, f is proportional to q2 and f is proportional to 1 by r square. But with r, it is inversely proportional to the square of r. So option C is not the correct graph. So the correct graph will look like this. The red one. The red one shows the variation of f with r. Next MCQ. A system of charges have been shown. ABC is an equilateral triangle and O is a centroid. For freely movable charge QA, QB, QC and Q0, QO is placed at 4 points A, B, C and O respectively. If the charges are in equilibrium, which one of the following statements are true? A. Values of all the charges must be 0. Option B. Values of all the charges must be equal. Option C. All the charges must be of same types. Option D. QO must be of different type. QA, QB, QC must be same type and of equal value. QO, option E, QO must be different type. QA, QB, QC need not be of equal value. 10 seconds time for you. We have already read the options. You just need to think. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. That is, QO must be different type. That is for sure. And QA, QB, QC, they will be different type, but they should be equal in value for the system to be balanced. Now you need to calculate the value of small q. Here the QA, QB, QC, they are same. All of them are Q. Now what value of small q in terms of capital Q will make the system stable? You have got 20 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. You may require more time here. Do pause the video, take your time, do the calculation, come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is value of small q should be capital Q by root 3 and negative, because q's are positive, capital Q's are positive. So it will be negative capital Q by root 3. Let's see the calculation. See, small q must be negative charge, that is for sure. Okay. Now stability of small q comes from equal attraction of 3 charges. So stability of q is not an issue because it is being pulled equally by all the 3 charges in a symmetric way. So small q is in equilibrium. The stability of capital Q has to be worked out. Now stability of capital Q will come as a balance between two repulsive forces from other two capital Q and the attractive force of the small q. So we need to do that calculation. Let the side of the triangle be small a. We need the distance AO. That AO from plus 10 geometry, you know, it will be a by root 3. Now we need to form the equation. See, FAB and FAC, that is the force of repulsion on A from charge B and C, that is K capital Q square by A square, that we know, that's simple. So we need to find the resultant of this FAB and FAC. Let that be capital F. That will be twice FAB cos 30 degree. So you put the value of cos 30 degree. So that F is root 3K capital Q square by A square. Now what is the force of attraction between capital Q and small q? That is K capital Q small q by A square into 3. Where from this 3 comes? Because it is basically square of A by root 3 whole square. So root 3 whole square is 3, that comes on the up. So you put the values together. So they are balanced. So 3K capital Q small q by A square is equal to root 3K capital Q square by A square. From that you get the value of small q. So the small q value is Q by root 3. And as told initially in the very beginning, Q must be of negative charge. Hope you are liking this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Let's continue. A free pith ball with mass 9 gram and charge given is kept 1 centimeter above another similar pith ball. What charge on the lower pith ball will keep the above pith ball stationary? You can take the value of G as 10 meter per second square. 4 options given. 15 seconds time for you. Your timer starts now. If you require more time, do take your time. Do the calculation. Come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. Let's understand. See, look at the situation. The pith ball should come down because of its weight. That is W is equal to mg. Now to balance it, there has to be repulsive force. So that will be electrostatic force on the upward side. So that value will be K Q1 Q2 by R square, because the original pith ball is Q1 and the balancing pith ball is Q2. So electrostatic force between them will be K Q1 Q2 by R square. So these two should be balanced. So K Q1 Q2 by R square should be equal to mg. So you got the equation, put the values, do the calculation, get the value of Q2. So here option is option A. Next MCQ. Two particles each of mass 9 gram and charge 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 are at a limiting equilibrium on a table at a distance of 10 centimeter. The coefficient of friction between the table and the particles you need to find out. Again, you can take the value of G as 10 meter per second square. You need to calculate the coefficient of friction. 15 seconds time for you. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. Answer is option D. You need to understand the key concept. What's happening? Let's see. These two charges will either attract or repel each other. Type of charge has not been shown. But whatever happens, it is being restricted by the frictional force on the opposite side. So what is being balanced by whom? The electrostatic force is being balanced by the frictional force. So you know the electrostatic force, you also know the frictional force. So they are balanced. Put the values. Only mu is unknown, all other values are given. So you get the value of mu. Mu is 0.4, that is option D. Next MCQ. Two equally charged particles, each of mass 3 gram, is hanging from a common point with a massless thread of 13 centimeter. The two particles are repelling each other because it's positive, equally charged, similar charge. So they are repelling each other and are at a distance 2 centimeter apart. You need to find out the charge in the particles. Again, take the value of G as 10 meter per second square. 15 seconds time for you. Your timer starts now. And you have got freedom to take extra time. Do pause the video, take your time, do the calculation, come back to the video. Make the full use of this video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B, that is 1.05 Newton to the power minus 8 Coulomb. Let's understand the concept and the calculation. See, it is hanging from a point, from a common point, so they will be repelling each other. The force of repulsion is F is equal to KQ square by R square, and weight is W is equal to mg. So they will form a triangle. If you take the vertical line and one string, triangle is formed ABC. So you can see that F by mg is tan theta. That is BC by AB. The tan theta value has been given. That is 1 by 12. Because string is 13 centimeter, use Pythagoras, you get the value of BC. BC also is given, that is 1 centimeter. You find out the value of AB. So F by mg is 1 by 12. So KQ square by R square by mg will be 1 by 12. Values are given. Put the values on this concept. You have to understand the key concept, that is F by mg is tan theta. So here you put the values. Only Q is unknown, all values are given. Find the value of Q. Q is 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 8 Coulomb. Next MCQ, last MCQ for this video. The same setup. Now from Earth, it is being taken to an artificial satellite. Now what will be the distance between the particles? What will be the distance between particles? 10 seconds time, you know the concept. 10 seconds time for you. Timer starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is 26 centimeter, option D. What's happening? When it is being taken to artificial satellite, the value of G is 0. The two particles will move away to the maximum distance because there is no W. W is 0. So they will get, the thread will get fully stretched in both sides. So the distance between them will be 13 plus 13, that is 26 centimeter. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come up with many such videos. Bye bye till then.